Welcome to Sheet Leveller. My name's Lee and I'm here to ensure you learn how to use Excel in a simple and straightforward manner. To demonstrate how to create a filter in Excel, we will use the table in front of us. To begin, you need to select the headers of the columns you want to put the filter on. So let's choose the columns month, days and season for now. Once you've selected the columns, go to the Data tab and locate the groups Sort and Filter. Next, click on the Filter option. Excel will add drop-down arrows or buttons to the cells containing your chosen headers. With these buttons, you can easily filter out the data you need from each column. Now let's try out the filter we've just created. Say we only want to view summer months. Click on the drop-down arrow in the column Season, unselect all the options by clicking Select All, and tick the box next to Summer. When you click OK, you will see that only the summer months are displayed in the table. However, note that the other months are not deleted, they are simply hidden. If you need to do more filtering, such as show only months with 31 days, follow the same procedure. Click on the drop-down arrow in the Days column, unselect all the options, and tick the box next to 31. Then click OK. Now you should see that the table only displays the summer months with 31 days. Want to undo the filtering process? Watch the next video tutorial by Sheet Leveller. We will show you how to easily remove the filter from the table. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe and watch video tutorials to learn how to use Excel like a boss. Thanks for your support and I'll see you in the next video.